Hello my lovers to Majid Fragrance channel for reviewing and describing fragrances. Our guest today is Hugo Boss, just different from the house of Hugo Boss. This beautiful fragrance is very versatile. I try it for the first time, and in this episode I will give you the full experience regarding this fragrance, how it smells, and also the longevity and the sillage. If you are new in this channel, welcome, and subscribe, hit the notification button to get always our news. Stay tuned. Just different from Hugo Boss. This fragrance came in 100 milliliter, but here I have a sample of 8 milliliter. This is an eau de toilette concentration. As you see the back here, there is the website of the company. There is some information regarding the fragrance. It's made in UK, as you see with me. Here how it's come. I love the packaging and how it presented. This is an 8 milliliter sample. I try it and I will give for you my full experience. I sprayed dry down here and opening here. As you see here, I will show you also the informations of this fragrance. Focus. I think if you can see, the focus did not work. Okay, no problem. Here I have a sample, it's original with an old batch code. This scent, in the opening when you spray it in the first time, you gonna smell a lot of mint, a lot of green apple. Really, I love this scent. It's remember me of Nautica Voyage from the house of Nautica. If you know Nautica Voyage, I will let for you also the link in the description. The opening is very similar to it because of the green apple. After that, you will have some spices like coriander, and there is freesia, there is also basil, and in the base we have labdanum with olibanum, patchouli, and cashmere man. I really love this scent. In the first time, it's obvious that it's a green scent, aromatic, fresh, spicy. Regarding the coriander that exists. After that, the scent become more woody, fruity, ambery, and it's dry totally on floral and powdery notes. There is a lot of people that say that this fragrance it's not long lasting, but I will tell you my experience. Really, it stick with me for the second day. What I said, not the sillage. In the second day, only close people to you can smell you if are very close to you. So in my t-shirt, the fragrance it's still there, but it's more spicy. It's the dry down, as you know. It's more woody. It's not like the opening, the mint and the green apple. It's gone after 10 or 15 minutes. But after that, you will smell green notes. You will smell also fresh spices. Woody notes. So really it's give me a long lasting. The sillage also in the first 5 hours it's good. I think this one it's very versatile. You can wear it in all seasons, in all occasions. It's a men scent. Women can't wear this fragrance, and also if you are more than 20 years old, this scent is beautiful for you. Another thing that I couldn't say to you, this one is a flanker of the original one instead of in 2011, but there is the first release from this house in 1995, and this one is a flanker of the original one. There is also Hugo Reversed, there is Hugo Extreme, Hugo Man, Hugo LZ, a lot of flankers in this company. Really, it's beautiful. When you smell it in the first time, it's not unique. This thing you must know, this one is not unique. So when you smell it definitely it will remember you of something that contain mint or contain green apple or fresh spices. So the uniqueness here is not it's not as we say it's not in the top, but it's very versatile. I recommend it for those who work in closed spaces like office. I recommend it also for teenagers to go out or for men. The scent is good. It's very versatile. You can try it because it's not expensive. It's a cheap fragrance. Anybody can buy it with no problem. So in the end, I would like to thank you for watching this episode. Our guest today was Hugo Boss, just different, one of the best flankers of the original one, Hugo Boss. Here the scent contained that green apple with mint in the opening. I love the opening. Also when it's dry, it's become more spicy, woody. It gives me long lasting. This is the truth. The sillage, I think it's good for fragrance in this like this cost. So if you tried this one before, please tell us in comments and say to us your experience, how it smells, longevity, something like that, to help each other buy the right fragrance. See you in the next video. Thank you.